Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ifactner's learning video tutorials. In today's video tutorial, we will learn what do we call different colors in Urdu and Hindi. Let's start our tutorial. Colors are called rang in Urdu language. Black is kala, syah, kala, syah. Blue is neela, neela. Brown is bhura, bhura. Green is sabz, hara, sabz, hara. And grey is surmai, surmai. Gold is sunhera, sunhera. Orange is naranji, naranji. Pink is gulabi, gulabi. Purple is jamni, jamni. Red is lal or surkh, lal or surkh. Silver is chandi, chandi. Turquoise is ferozi, ferozi. White is safed, safed. Yellow is pila or zard, pila or zard. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. If you like this video tutorial, then please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.